Hi, today we are in the kitchen. Do you want to learn how to make a perfect Italian pasta in English? Let's find out the secret ingredient together. Stay tuned until the end for a special infographic with all the kitchen vocabulary. Let's start. Hello everyone. Today, Marco is back home from the supermarket. He is hungry. Let's go into the kitchen with him. Marco puts on his apron. He takes out the ingredients: pasta, tomatoes, and some basil. He needs a large pot and a pan. The kitchen is ready. First, Marco fills the pot with water. He puts it on the stove and waits for it to boil. When the water is boiling, he adds some salt. Then, he adds the pasta. Perfect, he thinks. Now, it's time for the sauce. Marco takes a sharp knife and a cutting board. Be careful, Marco. He chops the red tomatoes into small pieces and places them in the pan. Marco lights the other stove. He adds a little olive oil to the pan and puts it on the heat. He stirs the tomatoes with a wooden spoon. The kitchen starts to smell very good. The pasta is ready. Marco drains the water. He adds the pasta to the sauce. He mixes everything. Finally, he tears some fresh basil leaves and puts them on top. Delicious. Marco serves the pasta on a plate. It is a beautiful, simple dinner. Good job, Marco. Buon appetito. Here is your kitchen vocabulary summary. Take a screenshot. And remember to subscribe for more delicious English stories. See you next time.